Hey guys, it's Mo with Plantation Boat Mart, and today we're here on our newest arrival, this brand new 2024 46 Invincible Catamaran. This boat is equipped with quad Mercury 400 V10s that can push this boat over 70 miles an hour. This boat is also equipped with Mercury joystick on the motors to make docking much easier. Here at the leading post, we have a rear-facing seat that turns into a cooler and can also be used as a storage tackle box. This 46 Catamaran is equipped with dual row seating to accommodate plenty of passengers. Here at the helm, we have a blank canvas ready for an electronics package of your choice. Here at the bow, we have this large coffin box that doubles as a lounge chair to accommodate your passengers. So for more information or to inquire about a sea trial, please visit us at plantationboat.com.